Once upon a time, a person went to Buddha, seeking advice on how to control his emotions. The person was struggling with anger and frustration, and he was looking for a way to manage his emotions better. Buddha smiled and asked him to sit down. He said, "I will tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was a king who ruled a prosperous country. One day he decided to visit the neighboring kingdom. He had heard that the king of that kingdom was famous for his wisdom. When the king arrived, he was welcomed with great honor. The king of the neighboring kingdom had prepared a grand feast in his honor. But during the feast, the king noticed a fly in his soup. He was disgusted and ordered his servant to bring him another bowl of soup. The king of the neighboring kingdom saw this and said, "Your Majesty, please do not be angry. It was just a small fly, it does not matter." On this the king replied, "I cannot tolerate such things. Even a small fly can ruin my mood." The king of the neighboring kingdom smiled and said, "Your Majesty, allow me to give you a piece of advice. It is not the fly that ruined your mood but your reaction to it. You have the power to control your emotions. Do not let them control you." The king realized the wisdom in these words and returned to his kingdom. From that day onwards, he started practicing the art of not reacting to situations that would previously trigger his emotions. He found that he was able to maintain his composure in challenging situations and was able to make better decisions. The power of not reacting is an important lesson for all of us. We often react to situations without thinking, and this can lead to negative consequences. Reacting to situations with anger and frustration can damage our relationships with others and hinder our ability to make clear-headed decisions. However, it is important to understand that not reacting does not mean that we should suppress our emotions. Emotions are a natural part of our human experience, and it is important to acknowledge them instead of reacting impulsively. We should take the time to process our emotions and thoughtfully respond to them. The moral of the story is that we have the power to control our emotions. We may not be able to control what happens to us, but we can control how we react to it by practicing mindfulness, that is the art of not reacting. We can learn to control our emotions and respond thoughtfully. It's a powerful tool that can help us improve our relationships, our well-being, and our overall quality of life. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. You will not be punished for your anger, but you will be punished by your anger. The mind is like water. When it's turbulent, it's difficult to see. When it's calm, everything becomes clear. The tone is like a sharp knife. Kills without drawing blood. So let us take the time to practice and cultivate this powerful skill and let it transform our lives for the better. One who conquers himself is greater than another who conquers 1,000 times 1,000 on the battlefield. For more inspirational stories, please do like, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon.